Good morning friends, myself Mr. Pokre ST, Department of Zoology. For the class of TYBSc, the topic is mutation. Last lecture, you study the mutation. Suddenly change on the chromosome or structure of the gene, structure of DNA, and they are of the effect to the external part of this living organism. That is, all type of the living organism get changed the behavior. This is called as the mutation. And last time you study the different type of mutation according to the origin. It is spontaneous mutation, inducer mutation, reverse mutation, forward mutation, backward mutation. According to the cell, there are somatic mutation, gametic mutation, zygotic mutation. These every part, the different type of the changes happen, and there today there are the going to the topic is the on the basis of their nature and their effect. That is, the type is the biochemical mutation. That is, biochemical means in all living organism the different type of the biochemical reaction due to the secretion of the enzyme, secretion of the hormone. That is, these are the important for the production of the energy. And that is, this shows that radical change in the biochemical constitution, and that is the study into the physiology of the organism. Due to the change the biochemical constitution, the production of the enzyme, and there are these enzyme regulate the biochemical reaction. These biochemical reaction, they are the produce the specific type of the component. These components are important for the synthesis of the energy, and according to the one gene, one enzyme hypothesis, this gene get changed. That is, the pathway they get changed, the specific enzyme they get affected, and that time this effect they are this gene is the inactivated or inhibiting the abnormalities, and on the basis of these the production of the enzyme gets stopped, they are affected. That is, these are the called as the biochemical mutation. Second is point mutation. According to the name point, that is, in that point mutation, when a single base pair get altered in the nitrogen, that is the in that animal nitrogenic bases, purine, pyrimidine, here are the adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. These one nitrogen bases get altered, and that time this type of the change is known as point mutation. Their example of this, there are the particularly these are the normal gene, and these are the nitrogenous bases. There are the adenine, thymine, guanine, adenine, cytosine, thymine. These are the normal structure, and in that normal structure, one, that is the gene get altered from this. One gene is the replacer. That is, one change is happen, and this point mutation is again change, that is the base substitution, base insertion, base deletion, base inversion. That is, the gene is changed, they are get altered. That is, these are the changes takes place these animal bodies. The next is the silent mutation. According to this mutation, that is, the change is happen, but these are the very slowly, they cannot be easily diagnosed. That is, these are the in that silent mutation, substitution of the three bases in the DNA. These three bases of the DNA may be result in the substitution of the new amino acids are synthesized in the polypeptide chain. That is, these three bases of the DNA get altered, change in the substitution, new amino acids are produced, and that time is called as the silent mutation. That is, these two, point mutation, silent mutation, these are the single gene get altered, single nitrogenous bases get changed. The next point is the mutagenic agent. All living organism, there are the different type of these external factors, internal factor, biochemical substance, unknown factors, they are affected, and that time this animal behavior, different type of the changes is observed, and that is the some external factors. These external factors get changed the behavior of this organism. These factors is called as the mutagenic agents, and actually the scientist is Muller. In 1928 they give the Nobel Prize in the physiology and the medicine, because in that mutagenic agent there are the different type of the mutagenic agent. Particularly there are physiological agent or the physical agent, chemical agents, they get affected, and actually in that animal particularly all living organisms they get changed. These process is called as the mutation. Actually, in that mutation, those substances are affected. This substance is called as the mutagenic substance, and the total process is called as mutagenesis. That is, the total process is completed, gene get altered, substitute, and that time with the help of these external factors or internal factors. Which factors? Particularly, there are the causes of the mutation, that is the mutagenic agent, and this process, that is the physical agents, is known as the radiation. One is the substance is called as the substance is physical agent, that is the radiation. That is different type of this radiation. This radiation is present in the environment, X-rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet rays, as well as the different type of the chemical substance they get affected, and these different radiation is affected in the living organism. That is, the first is the X-ray. This X-ray is the radiation produce the gene mutation in the barley. That is, this barley get affected by the X-rays, as well as the scientist Muller in the induced mutation is observed in the Drosophila. That is, these are the different type of the rays. That is, the all these radiation containing all energy radiation that capable disturbing the chemical structure or the structure of the chromosome. Due to the destruction of the chemical substance or the chromosome, automatically the function or the proper structure of the chromosome get changed, and they automatically they get affected. Means this radiation is a component, is important mutagenic agent, they get the change. There is a very good example of the X-ray. Continuously every living organism body is exposed to the X-rays, that time they get affected, and the patient suffer from the sometimes the cancers. That is the source of the radiation. Different type of the natural component present in the earth. There are example of the thorium, radium, and uranium. These three components, thorium, radium, uranium, these are the present in the environment, and that is these substance get affected to the all living organism, plant, animal, microscopic organism, and that time in that different type of this substance containing components. The first one is the ionization radiation. That this ionization radiation, there are the X-ray, gamma rays. These X-ray and gamma rays is the short wavelength rays. These short wavelength rays inserted in the body, deep part of the tissue, and that time tissue get damaged. That is, due to this wavelength, they are enter into the tissue cell, that is this part of the DNA, and the DNA get disrupted, and disrupted DNA cannot be properly his function. And actually in that, due to this affected, particularly large number of these tissue get damaged, and actually this substance is called as the ionizing radiation substance. Second is non-ionizing radiation. In that non-ionizing, they containing less energy. Particularly, these are the example of the ultraviolet rays. These ultraviolet rays only less energy, and there are the large number of these mutagenic properties are present. These mutagenic property they affected in the DNA, and actually these effect by the amino acid of the protein. That is the biologically, genetically affected, and that is it block the different stages of the DNA, that is the transcription, replication, transduction. These all factors get affected by the non-ionization radiation. As well as another one is called the man-made radiation. That is the scientist Muller. These are the show the number of the series of the experiment, and every experiment they are the different induced substance they are inserted by the under the aseptic condition in the laboratory, and that time the causes number of the mutation, that is the man-made. These are the due to the experimental purpose. Some externally substance are chemical substance, rays like this. Another one is the heat and the temperature. That is, these are the component, that is the low effect. There are the in this Drosophila melanogaster, in the temperature range to the 4 degrees centigrade, these larvae get affected. As well as the different factors is the biological effect of radiation. That is the which substance, that is the particularly in that the different type of the chemical substance. This chemical substance is called as the mutagenic substance. Which example of this chemical substance? There are the different mustard gas, This mustard gas is very important chemical substance. They affected to the structure of purine and pyrimidine, and that time the structure of the purine pyrimidine get affected, automatically successive function structure get affected, as well as in that chemical mutagenic agent there are the intercalating agent, ethodium, bromide, prolavin. These are the affected, that is the effect of the base of the DNA, and these DNA get stretching and they are affected, as well as another one is called as the alkylating agent. Which alkylating agent? They are particularly alkylating agent containing mustard gas, sulfur, nitrous substance, as well as all these substance get affected, and the effect of the DNA base of the phosphorus group, and that is the variety of the genetic structures. That is the another one is the acridine dye, acryflavin, proflavin. They causes the gene insertion and gene deletion process takes place, and that is there are another one is the deamination agent, particularly which act as the replicating and the non-replicating of the DNA. That is the deamination agent is also one other biological agent they get affected, and that is the reaction with base containing amino group with hydroxyl group. That is the result structure of the base get changed. Example of this which are the deamination agent, one is the nitrous oxide as well as the hydroxyl. This cytosine lead to the uracil, that is the cytosine is leads formation of the uracil, as well as another number of these chemical agents, that is the sodium, azide, hydroxyl. They possess the mutagenic properties, and that is all these mutagenic property get affected, and actually after this some chromosome get changed. That is the change is the structure, particularly there are structure is known as the chromosomal aberration. What is meant by chromosomal aberration? Means one thing is there in the chromosomal aberration, that is the structure of this chromosome get changed. Chromosomal that is in that chromosomal aberration, that is the change the structure and the number of the chromosome get changed. Chromosome structure get changed, and that is these are the 4 different type of the stages. One is called as the deletion, second is also called as the duplication, third one is the inversion, and fourth one is called as the translocation. Translocation, that is these 4 type of the chromosomal aberration are takes place. In that first one is called as the deletion. According to the name, that is the this deletion means these are the important chromosomal aberration. The chromosome is lost, some part of this gene is also lost, and this deletion is 2 type. That is according to the name, one is called as the terminal deletion. Terminal deletion. And second one is called as the intercalary deletion. That is according to the part, that is this chromosome. These are the example of the chromosome. This chromosome containing number of the genes A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. These are the normal chromosome, and in that normal chromosome, due to the terminal part, that is this terminal part, that time this chromosome range is A, B, C, D, E, F, that is this remaining part is the deleted, that is the terminal part. This terminal 2 gene are the replaced. This structure is called as the terminal deletion. And the second one is the intercalary deletion. That is in that intercalary deletion that the remaining 2 gene is replaced, and they are the change the structure. That is in that like this. E, F, G, H. Middle part, that is the intercalary means middle 2 segment are deleted. That is called as the intercalary deleted. The second one is called as the duplication. According to this, that is these are the important part here. Segment is the repeated, that is this part of the segment A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and these are the normal gene. But in the process of the duplication, the chromosome is the replicated. One chromosome is extra, G and H. That is, these are the one characters. These are the remaining part is the one chromosome is added. Duplication. That is the next one is the inversion. That is according to the name. The larger number of the chromosomes are present. This chromosome containing several number of the genes, and these gene they are the change. That is the chromosome get break, and this inversion means sequence of the gene get altered. Like this, here are the segment gene C and gene H. Here also these three gene get changed, and in that process there are the particularly here also cut G, F, E, D, C, and then G, E, H. That is middle part C to F they get cut. These chromosome cut, they are the rotated, and there are also H, these are the rotated, and there are G, F, like this. That is the direction get changed. That is, these are the inversion process. And the fourth one is the translocation. That is, in that homologous chromosome the number of the genes are present. Here also A, B, C, D, E, F, G and EH. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Sometime these two parts get breakdown, and these are the part is the replaced. Here also E, F, G and EH. Here also changing the structure. There are 5, 6, 7 and 8. That is, this part, this homologous chromosome, that is the segment of the chromosome get exchanging, and this is called as the translocation. That is, these are the all four type of the chromosomal aberration, and they are every time get change in the body, they get affected. That is the all these factors, chemical factor, physical factors, they get affected. Different type of the mutagenic event, and all living organism get affected, and they are observed into the environment. Sometime due to the research they get induced mutation. Like this, observe the factors, and that time living organism change the behavior. That is, in that topic the mutation, kind of mutation, effect of the different chemical agent, physical agent, they have studied, and that is, this topic is over. Next time they change the another point, this till over. Okay.